Welcome dear friends, in this video we will discuss about battery issues such as battery not charging or charging intermittently. This is a Nokia device in which lot of users recently reported charging issues. However, this video could be applicable for other mobile brands as well. As a preliminary check, please try different wall socket, different charging head, and different charging cable. This will help us confirm whether the issue is with the phone or external to the phone. The most common cause of this problem is damaged charging port at the device. This port is too fragile and can easily be damaged, especially if you have used some poor quality charging cables. We will first look at some temporary workaround, and later talk about permanent solution. Try gently adjusting the angle of the cable that is connecting to the phone. You can place a notebook underneath, which worked for most of the users. Try removing the cover or protective case while charging. Install an app like Fast Charging Pro or Ampere to see at what speed your phone is being charged. You should get some positive values. If you see negative value, then your battery is not charging or it is charging at negligibly low rate. Now let's talk about the permanent solutions. This issue can be fixed either by changing the entire charging board, or by changing only the micro USB port that is attached to the charging board. There is no significant rate difference between these two options, because in the first option part cost is more and in the second option labor cost is more. If you have experience in mobile hardware service, then maybe you can order these products and replace by yourself. But for majority of us, we should take it to the nearest service center and get it replaced. If you do it at some local service centers, it may cost you around 500 INR. And, if you do it at the brand authorized service centers, then it may cost you around 1000 INR. Of course, if you are still under warranty, you can get it repaired for free. Good luck! Here are some of the tips for better battery usage. Always use good quality chargers, possibly from original manufacturer. Turn off Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi when not in use. Frequently clear all open background apps. Turn off unwanted notifications. Hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.